How about making a delicious starter dish, that too Indonesian style? Yes, we'll be making today paneer satay with a homemade peanut satay sauce. Lovely flavors, lovely combinations, and the best part is that this dish can be made within minutes. No pre-preparations, and this is a very sure shot hit dish. Try this to believe it. Paneer satay in Sue's Food Corner English style. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Source Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you're new to my page, do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. Let's begin with this lovely recipe of paneer. So here I have taken paneer, it's the classic Indian cottage cheese. I have taken a half a kilo, but I just need to cut a nice shape out of it. So that would be around 300 grams. So initially I just need a rectangular block. For this part I'll discard. This obviously can be used for other recipes, but for this recipe we need a nice rectangular shape. So I'll cut both the edges. So this is looking perfect to me. And now I have 300 grams of paneer, and first I'll divide it half exactly in middle, and then I'll just cut it into 3 parts longitudinally in this way, lengthwise, so that I can get nice strips of paneer, little bit thick strips of paneer. So 300 grams, 6 sticks, that means around 50 grams each. So this is how it looks like. It's perfect for paneer satay. So let's prepare the marination. So for the marination, I have taken a ginger garlic paste around 1 teaspoon. This recipe is for 300 grams of paneer. If you increase the amount, obviously you need to increase the ingredients. Dark soya around half teaspoon I have taken. Schezwan sauce 1 tablespoon. 2 pinch of salt because soya sauce has some salt, and then to this I'll add corn flour 2 tablespoon and all purpose flour, that's Maida, around 1 tablespoon for the beautiful coating. And now I'll just mix it and add water little by little to make a nice thick batter. It's very important to make a thick batter. If the water is the batter is flowy or has much more water, then it will not coat along the paneer pieces. So it's very important the batter should be of this much consistency. And once this is ready, our marination is done. I'll add the paneer pieces, paneer sticks that we had made, and you can see this will be nicely coated because my batter, my marination is quite thick. That's very important. So for that you need to add water very little by little, otherwise the consistency will be very different. So this is it, my paneer are nicely being coated in this marination. And after we just coat this instantly, just for after 2 to 3 minutes, we can fry this. I have used a fry pan and my paneer pieces are looking nicely coated here. See, it's done. So let's fry this. So for that I have taken oil, normal oil. In medium flame I have heated it, and then I'll add the paneer sticks. Don't overcrowd the pan. Do not touch this paneer sticks for at least 2 minutes on medium flame so that a nice layer forms. And once after 2 to 3 minutes, I'll use a fork and knife. This is my normal style to flip this. I feel this can be done safely in this way, so I always prefer this way. Again, it's a choice. And now again I'll wait for 2 minutes more so that the other side can also be golden and crisp. And once they are golden and crisp, you can see it's perfectly crisp and the color is perfect. I'll just take them out from oil, and second batch I'll add. There were 6 paneer sticks, so I had added the second batch. Let it cool. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the peanut sauce for satay. So for this peanut sauce, it's a typical Indonesian sauce. I have here roasted peanuts around half a cup, and it's without skin. This I'll be using, and in a blender I'll add this peanuts, and in 2 to 3 times I'll just on this blender and wait for some time, and again I'll just on this blender and wait for some time. Basically I need a smooth peanut paste, and then to it I'll add jaggery or sugar around 1 tablespoon, garlic cloves 4, some lemon juice around 1 tablespoon, and soya sauce I'll be adding around 1 tablespoon. If you want the typical Indonesian flavor, you need to add some coconut milk at this stage, but I did not have coconut milk, so I had added water around half a cup. If you have coconut milk, please add the coconut milk instead of water. And chili flakes, after blending this nice sauce, it's super smooth. You can add some chili flakes according to your taste, and our very basic peanut satay sauce is ready. And meanwhile, these paneer sticks have cooled down, and I'll be using the satay sticks to nicely pierce this paneer sticks from one end so that it can be a perfect satay look. These sticks are readily available in markets. So this is done. And now in a pan I have heated 3 tablespoons of oil, some garlic 1 tablespoon and ginger I have added nicely and need to roast them for around 1 to 2 minutes, and some green chilies goes, it is obviously according to your taste, and after these are roasted I'll add around medium size onion, it is around 4 to 5 tablespoons. Give it a mix till these onions are nicely roasted, it should be nicely caramelized. Then goes vinegar 1 teaspoon and tomato sauce I have added 2 tablespoons. Some dry soya sauce around half a teaspoon goes here, and give everything a mix. This sauce should nicely coat this onions, ginger and garlic. You can see it has released some oil, and I'll add the remaining batter of the coating that we had made for paneer. Give it a mix, and now I'll add water around 100 ml to make a nice sauce. So 100 ml water is perfect for 300 grams of paneer. Wait till it starts to boil. Adjust salt accordingly at this stage. Pepper powder goes around half a teaspoon. Give it a mix, and now we need to thicken this sauce, but before that I'll give it a mix, and I have taken 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 2 tablespoon of water. This slurry goes in, and in high flame I'll just mix it till this sauce thickens and releases some nice aroma. So now it's time to add the paneer sticks that we had kept ready. This goes in this beautiful sauce. Basically the sauce will nicely wrap around this paneer sticks. So I'll arrange it nicely so that it can be coated beautifully, and after 2 minutes of the paneer sticks in the sauce, you can see they have absorbed the moisture. Just flip it in this way so that the lower layer also and the upper layer also is beautifully coated in this sauce, and this is looking so yum. Lastly, add some roasted and crushed peanuts around 3 tablespoons and some green onions. This completes our dish. That's the paneer satay. You can see how lovely it's looking, and you need to serve this nice hot and crisp. You can see the look, it's perfectly done. The small and tits and bits of peanut are actually adding more texture and more look to the dish. So here I have served my paneer satay, and some more crushed peanuts goes on top. I just love the crunchiness of this roasted nuts and some green onions and a homemade peanut satay sauce. This is ready. You can see how lovely this has turned out. Basic flavors, and yes, if you do have coconut milk for the peanut sauce, do use them because that's the typical flavor of the satay sauce. I did not have, so I could not use. So make sure you if you use coconut oil, you'll get the authentic taste, and I hope this recipe will turn out great for you. So try this recipe to enjoy the flavors. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment of the day is from Alka Amriti Oscar. Wow, that's the name. Once my father made mutton which looked exactly like this, but I could never understand how it looked and tasted so delicious. I prepared mutton using the same spices, but I never got that taste. I checked many well-known chefs' recipe and made it, but it never tasted the same. Thank you for your recipe because today I got my answers. It's all how we cook. That's why my parents say mutton को बहुत भलरे कसिबा जरूरी. Thank you so much, Alka Amriti Oscar. Actually, I loved your name and your narration. Yes, this recipe of mutton, roasted mutton, needs a lot of patience, and it's one of my favorite. I'm so glad you could understand the essence of this dish. Thank you so much for commenting. And for today's recipe, that's a delicious paneer satay sticks with the homemade satay sauce. Try this, as I said, you will love the flavors, especially when there is a small get together or you just want to make something different. This Indonesian dish will be one of your favorites. I'll also share this satay dish with some chicken skewers. Stay tuned for the recipe, and if you have liked today's video, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Do press the like button. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.